or reflex action. Now those actions which are performed involuntarily, those actions which are performed involuntary without our control. You touch any hot object, the hand automatically gets off. Automatic. That automatic response is called reflex action. Okay. Now suppose this is the hand, I am touching it to the hot object. The message goes from the finger then to the brain. Suppose. Now if the message goes from the finger to the brain and then comes back, then I will withdraw the hand. This will take some time. This will take some time. And within this time, my finger can get burned. So what unique about this reflex are? The signal, it goes to the, not to the brain. It does not go to the brain. Signal, it goes to the spinal cord and then comes back. It just goes to the spinal cord and then comes back. So this reduces the time. That when it reduces time, it can protect the finger or it can lower the damage. Okay. So signal स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक जाके वहीं प्रोसेस हो जाता है, ब्रेन तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ही प्रोसेस कर देती है, उसे प्रोसेस कर देगी कि हाथ हटा लो, हाथ हट जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इसमें pathways, signal is received by afferent neuron or the sensory neuron. Then it goes to the dorsal nerve root. Then it comes to the CNS, mainly spinal cord. Then it goes to the effector neuron, and effector neuron sends signal back to the effector muscle. Hand or skeletal muscle. So this is the signal. In our finger there are neurons, sensory neurons. These sensory neurons are called afferent neurons. I told you afferent and efferent. Afferent take the signal from organs to brain or CNS. So signal is received by the afferent neuron. Afferent neuron then sends the signal to the main nerve. There is a main nerve. That main nerve is dorsal root nerve. Main nerve is attached with the spinal cord. So message goes to the CNS, mainly spinal cord. Spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. This is the afferent neuron. It is the message comes here. No need to get this message to the brain. The neurons in the spinal cord, they process the message themselves and they give the message to the motor neuron or efferent neuron, which takes the message to the organ. Now this message comes back to the organ. Suppose hand has muscles. These muscles are called effector muscles. Okay, effector muscles. Now effector muscles, they contract and we remove our hand. They start contract. Okay, this is called reflex action, and this whole pathway is called reflex arc. This is the arc. This is called reflex arc, whole pathway. Okay. So spinal cord processes some of the signals for faster response, and the sensory neuron sends this message to the motor neuron by a neuron. There is a neuron in between, which is called relay neuron. Relay neuron transfers the message from the sensory neuron to the motor.